Why, hello! I would love to tell you all about shapes today. So let's take a minute and learn all of these shapes that are up here with us. I've got a different special poster for each one so we can take a look at some of the special details about each shape. The first one I want to share with you guys today is a circle. A circle is one of my favorite shapes. It can be so many things. Can you think of a few things? I'm thinking like a sun or maybe a clock. It could be the middle of a flower. You never know what a circle could be used for in your artwork. A circle is usually round and it just takes a little practice to get it just right. I've got one right here. The next shape I want to share with you is an oval. Ovals are awesome. They are like long stretched out circles and they are also super helpful. You can use them with a circle to start making things like flower petals. Pretty cool, you never know. Okay, here's the oval on my poster right here. That one's just turned sideways, like this. The next shape that we need to talk about, it's one of my favorites. It's called a square. Notice on my square, all of the sides are the same length. They're all short sides, and they all work together to make a square. This is important to know because its cousin, the rectangle, has two short sides and then two long sides. And they work really well to help us make different things in our artwork. You can find the square right here on my poster and the rectangle right here on my poster. The next shape is kind of square's cousin. It's known as a diamond. A diamond is kind of long and pointy, and this one can also help us do all sorts of cool things. Sometimes I've even used a diamond as a flower petal on my flowers, or to make a super cool looking sun with spiky sun rays. You never know what you want to use a diamond for. Maybe it's just to be a diamond, like the rock diamond. That's cool. The next shape that I'd like to share with you, you may have seen up in the night sky. It's called a crescent, and sometimes we use this to draw bananas or moons or telephones. Hello! You never know what you could use a crescent shape for. My words were upside down, so I'll turn it this way. Maybe it's a mustache, a huge green mustache on Miss Elise today. All sorts of cool things with a crescent. The crescent is on my poster right here. The last few are, well, actually there's more than a few, so let's just go into it. We've got a triangle. A triangle only has 1, 2, 3 sides. So fun to use. Can you think of something we could make with this? I was thinking an Egyptian pyramid. Were you thinking the same thing? I don't know. You'll have to send me a message and let me know. Here's my triangle, and you can find it right here on my poster. These last few are so special, and that's what I really wanted to tell you. They're usually shapes that we find in nature and doing other things, like a star. I'll show you guys how to draw a star in just a minute in the next video. You could also find a raindrop in nature. Again, these shapes are so helpful when we're trying to do different things in our art projects. There's also the leaf shape. Sometimes it's known as an almond or the football. All of those names work for me. And the heart. Nice job. I'm going to point out each one on my poster over here. Here's the heart. Here's the star. Here is the raindrop. And here is the leaf. Thank you for joining me to learn about your different shapes today, and I will see you in another video. Have a beautiful day.